Hi guys, I'm back again, and first off, of course, thanking my sponsors of October 2018. Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate it. Now we're gonna do some really strange colors because you asked for it, and when you ask for it, that's what you get. So we're gonna start off this time with purple. Very purple. Then I'm going to put in some pink from up high because I want it to sort of start to do stuff. And now don't get really upset, but I'm going to put orange in there. So that's orange. And then yellow. A lot of yellow. Okay, I think that's enough for... This is a 15 by 15, maybe a little more. Let's do those colors again. That's pink. And this is orange. I think that'll be enough. So, I'm making these 15 by 15s because I want... Ooh, that's turned into a lot of strange colors. But I'm doing this because these are the ones I'm going to use for the giveaway. Let's torch that straight away. Ooh, got some pretty cells. Okay, I'm seeing stuff I like, I see stuff I don't like. I love this, I hate that. So that's got to go. So we're going to pour it over the side there, pour that one down, and stretch out those cells. Look at that, that is pretty. But I was imagining a little bit more of the yellow popping up, and that's not really happening. So I'm letting that go over there, letting it run back down, because I want them... That's kind of cool. And I do want to cover up here the corner with the same bit that fell off here, because you always want to color the gaps with the same coordinating colors around it. Now that is kind of nice. We're gonna let this do its thing. So gotta get me okay, because I am going to add some glitter because I like it, but we're gonna do the purple glitter. Which I have right here, and this is the sort of iridescent holographic, some sort of a glitter. We'll see. Take that out. But I might want to mix it with another glitter that I have. This one's very holographic. This is absolutely not the same stuff. But I sort of like it together, so let's see what we can do. So I'll put some of this here, and then, I'll have to take it out with a palette knife, something like that. Okay, so putting the two together, I have it on my hand, as you can see. That's going to give it a little sparkle. But just tiny little bit. You don't want to put too much on there. So pop in some bubbles. That's it. And this is going to be, let's pick it up a little bit so you can see up close. There you go. There's not much definition, so we're gonna do the next pour. We're going to do it a little differently, but I am really loving these cells. They are beautiful. You can't really see them that well, but I'm sure once this is dry, you'll see the glittery glitter some places here and there. Okay, let me put this one away. Yeah, that was beautiful. I've got to clean up my glitter before I get a lot of paint in it, because I still want to do something with this. So that was a lot of paint, way too much, and so that's good to know for the next pour, because I'm going to be doing a couple of those pours, 15s by 15s. I'm going to do some different colors, but today's going to be color day, so we're going to do a lot of different colors. But look, that is really beautiful. This, I'm going to add some, absolutely add some glitter to this, because who knows if we're going to use it for a pendant or something like that. There it goes. And I will give it a torch, but I'm sort of thinking not much is going to happen. Oops, there it goes. Maybe a little bit down here. That looks kind of nice. No, nothing's happening, because already the paint, most of the silicone is on top. Little selling up here, but that's about it. Let me just get some more of this paint off. And then I want to make it a little swoopy. Yeah, I think I like this. Now, if I were to put this together, you know, it's so amazing the colors you get, because this is purple, pink, orange and yellow, and look what we're getting. This is such a beautiful rust color. This is so deep pigmented rust. That is beautiful. Look at that. I might even keep this. Just put it together. There was something in there, something that, let's see, where is that? Here it is. That's a piece of what was on the paper. So let's put that together. I'm going to use this, guys, because I love this color. So what we do is scoop it up. That is a beautiful rust color. It is so deep. It's amazing. It's sort of like the sienna I use, the transparent one, only this is never going to be transparent. Too many colors in here that are not transparent. Now let's see what we can do when we swipe this. Maybe a really faint, oh yeah, that sells up really nicely. See that? That really does sell. Let's make it swoop into something that maybe we would like to put in a pendant, who knows. No, not really digging it. Not really liking this. Nope, not gonna keep it. Okay, guys, I think that's about it. I'll keep these small paintings short, so it's gonna be a 10-minute video. That's more than enough. I can't stop playing with that paint, but I just might put it in a cup for later use, because you never know what I'm going to be doing today. I just might use this one with the scrape off that I did yesterday on the big canvas. I could do that. So I'll do that later. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit with the next one. Love you all to pieces.